Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best Bluetooth FM transmitters on Amazon. Description: I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Nolaxi Bluetooth Car FM Transmitter. In addition to being a good wireless FM transmitter, the Nolaxi transmitter has a few extra features hidden away in its simple, compact design. The transmitter pairs well with most smart and mobile devices capable of Bluetooth connectivity. More than that, it's also compatible with many digital assistants like Siri and Alexa to play hands-free music automatically. The overall build quality is on the high end for a transmitter at this price range. While plastic, the exterior has a rigid feel that doesn't have too much give when you are moving it around. The sound delivery is also good and lacks any noticeable distortion, unless it's near a major source of interference. What we like about it: good build quality, good sound quality, sturdy positioning for bumpy roads. What don't we like about it? Lack of set channels, hard to adjust positioning. Number 2. Suman Bluetooth FM Transmitter. This Bluetooth FM transmitter comes with 2 USB ports, one being a smart charger, and is compatible with a wide range of devices. What sets this smart device apart from the rest is its large 1.7-inch LCD backlight display with intuitive controls. The large display is enough to display the song name, your car's battery level, or the incoming phone number. The best part is that the display unit is supported with a 270-degree gooseneck, which you can adjust for a more comfortable viewing angle. As for the intuitive controls, it has a multifunction button for controlling the volume, 2 buttons on the left for adjusting the frequency, and 2 more buttons on the right for skipping to the next or previous track. What we like about it: large, easy-to-read screen, good selection of buttons, easy and versatile adjustability for any angle inside the car. What don't we like about it? Can drain the car's battery. Dimensionally big. Number 3. Imdon Bluetooth FM Transmitter. Working as the go-between for your phone and your car, the Imdon Bluetooth FM transmitter is a good option. It features dual USB charging ports, which allows you to reboot more than one device concurrently. It's quick charging, too, as it boots back up your tech at around 80% added efficiency. Complete with all the Bluetooth standards, like static suppression and high-fidelity controls, it also touts a powerful microphone. The call quality is clear, and the secure connection prevents dropped calls. You can use this simple device to control your soundtrack, scan the radio, and take calls. What we like about it: compatible with any Bluetooth system. Pairs easily and efficiently. Includes overcurrent protection and thermal controls. What don't we like about it? Doesn't enable hands-free function without a pairing kit. Version 3 Bluetooth is good, but other picks have version 5. Number 4. Gwanda Bluetooth FM Transmitter. If you're looking for something that will actively contribute to the function of your car, then the Gwanda Bluetooth FM transmitter is a good pick. It touts a stable Bluetooth connection that links efficiently. By incorporating a large LCD screen and easy-to-manage interface, this transmitter takes older vehicles to a new level. Ideal for retrofitting an older ride with modern tech, simply plug it into the DC port of your car, and the up-to-date Bluetooth tech takes care of the rest. Built to dampen road noise and prevent vibrations, it remains durable over the long term. Performing consistently, this set is compatible with both Siri and Google Assistant. With an adjustable angle, this transmitter is a worthy candidate overall. What we like about it: large screen, stable connection to DC adapter, enables hands-free calls and music control. What don't we like about it? Takes up quite a bit of space. Can incoming access to shift controls. Better with DC adapters placed high on the dash. Number 5. Clyde Car Charger Bluetooth FM Adapter. Are you looking to add a bit of flash to your car's interior while also kicking your stereo into high gear? Try the Clyde Car Charger Bluetooth FM adapter for its balance of flair and utility. It stands out from the crowd as one of the most sizable screens. At just under 2 inches, it features crisp resolution and a comprehensive display. With a main control to adjust phone and tuning, You can also use the included remote for controls. Touting 3 USB components and an O connection, you can hook this tech up to any sound system you prefer. What we like about it: possesses a big screen with good resolution. Includes a handy remote. 3 USB and 1 O connection. What don't we like about it? Bulky size. Gets hot when used for a prolonged period of time. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.